Ganjam has lovely coastline, golden beaches and clean lakes. However, increasing population, littering habits, burning of plastic packaging are creating carbon emissions, pollution in rivers and beaches, leading to a breeding ground for diseases affecting life on Mother Earth. With a vision to effectively manage dry and plastic waste, Zilla Parishad Ganjam, Odisha, with support from Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Odisha Pollution Control Board, HDFC Bank, Centre for Environment Education and Core Service Provider are implementing a pilot project, Rural and Urban Landscape Free of Dry and Plastic Waste, in 19 blocks, 80 Gram Panchayats, 105 villages of Ganjam, Odisha. The project emphasizes empowering women's self-help groups in villages and panchayats to manage operations through capacity building and trainings. This collaborative approach has resulted in partnering with more than 50 women's self-help groups comprising 500 women members, engaging nearly 1,200 community members through 20 village social mapping activities. The project agrees on the collection, segregation and payments norms to SHGs by systematic plastics ecosystem approach, fostering trustworthy relationship with communities. With battery-operated vehicles provided by Zilla Parishad, door-to-door waste collection by SHGs from 21 villages and panchayats covering 12,054 households is in action. Non-biodegradable segregated waste is purchased by project team from the Gram Panchayat and transported to the Material Recovery Facility MRF. This is resulting in additional incomes to women members. The waste is sorted into more than 20 fractions at the MRF. All safety norms are followed at MRF operations. Separate toilets and bathing facilities are created for Safai Mitras.
ମୁଁ ହେଉଛି ବର୍ଷା ନାୟକ ଏହି ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛ ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ ମୁଁ କାମ କରେ फास्ट आमर जो माल कनेक्ट आसे ये ओजन हुए ओजन हो सारे आम मशीन कन्वेयर बेल्ट रे पका जाए 4-5 जन 6 जन की बाछी था बछाई गलापर ये मशीन के आनी बेल्डिंग करा हुए ना प्रेस करा हुए प्रेस कर सारापर ओजन होकर रखा जाए तापर गोटे जरी मशीन फटका मशीन अच्छी से जरी पकाए बाड़ी धूली कौन भी लगी सारे सफा हो जाए सफा हो गलापर से पुणी आनी रखिए रखिकी आउथरे प्रेस करके आउथरे ओजन करके एठी रखा हुए.
In the project, 950 metric tons of dry and plastic waste is reduced to go to landfills, substituting virgin plastics and put to recycling with 10 different recyclers or aggregators. 1,995 metric tons of CO2 emissions have been checked. The project is setting new pathways to progress. Nearly 53 lakhs of MLP packaging have been collected at Ganjam. CORE has facilitated 189 meetings with government officials, PRI members, DRDA officials, SBMG, BDOs for effective implementation in just 14 months. Partnering with 19 schools, 24 Kabadiwalas, 12 BWGs, 8 green volunteers, the project has reached 13 blocks, 52 Gram Panchayats and 80 villages in 14 months. Through 123 awareness campaigns, 12 capacity building sessions, 2 block level workshops, 89 SHG meetings, 3 health camps, project has directly impacted 48,233 and additionally reached 30,000 people indirectly. Innovations like reverse vending machine have encouraged people to insert PET bottles and multi-layered plastic in exchange for reward coupons. Plastic Lao Thela Pao has sensitized nearly 77,680 people with the distribution of 8,806 cloth bags and 6,007 masks in exchange for the collection of 16,533 kg of plastic waste.
HDFC एवं CEE रो सहायता रे गंजाम जिल्लार हिंजिलीकाटुरे आमे मॉडल स्वच्छ सेंटर तैयारी करिछु जार मुख्य उद्देश्य थिला कि आमर जो प्लास्टिक आवर्जना अच्छी ताको आमे केमती आनिकी प्रोसेस करिकी तार रिसाइकल करिकी किछि वैल्यू सेथरे आमे क्रिएट करि परिबा.
A beginning has been made in circular economy approach and journey continues to reimagine the way we produce, consume and dispose plastics.